Okay friends, let us discuss three variable K-map. Previously we have discussed about two variable K-map and various examples were also solved. Now let us discuss three variable K-map. Three variable K-map. Now in this three variable K-map, we know that the K-map can be written in for three variables. The K-map can be written in this way. This is the method. Suppose these are three variables A and B, C. Then here A bar can be written and here A can be written. Here B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC bar and BC. This is the method of writing K-map for three variables. Okay. Now these various terms can be written as A bar, B bar, C bar. I will write in this bracket A bar, B bar, C bar in this way. I will write here A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. I will write here A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. These two columns are swapped. BC here and BC bar here. Remember this. A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. Now in this cell I will write A, B bar, C bar. In this cell I will write A, B bar, C. Here I will write A, B, C. This one is A and this one is BC. I will write here. This one is A and BC bar over here. Therefore I will write here A, B, C bar. This is the method of writing three variable K-map. Or the three variable K-map can also be written like this. Or it can also be written in this way also. 2-3 different methods are there and we can plot these K-map with the help of any one of the method which is suitable to us. This one is 0, this one is 1. This 0 stands for A bar, 1 stands for A. It is like this. Okay. This one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0 stands for B bar, C bar. 0, 1 stands for B bar, C. 1, 1 stands for BC. 1, 0 stands for BC bar. In this way. Okay. Here in this cell I will write, in first cell I will write 0, 0, 0. In second cell I will write 0, 0, 1. In next cell I will write 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. In next cell I will write 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Here in this cell I will write here 1 and then 0, 0. In this cell I will write 1, 0, 1. Here I will write 1 and 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. In this cell I will write 1, 1, 0. This is also the method of writing three variable K-map. One more method is there and it can also be used sometimes. Then it is the K-map can be plotted in this way, and if three variables are there, total number of cells are 8. Why 8? Because we know that number of variables are related with to the power 3. Three variables are there. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Therefore these are total number of 8 cells. Okay. If two variables are there, 2 raised to 2, then it will be 4. If 4 variables are there, then total number of cells will be 16. That is 4 horizontal, 4 vertical. That is total 16 cells will be there. We'll discuss that later on. Now here in 3 variable cell, we can write 0, 0, 0 stands for, here I will write A and BC. Here I will write M0. Here I will write M1. 0, 0, 1 stands for M1. 011 stands for M3, 010 stands for M2, 100 stands for M4, 101 stands for M5, 111 stands for M7, and 110 stands for M6. This is also the method of writing three variable K-map. Okay, these are different methods for writing K-map. Now why I wrote here M7 instead of 111? We know that 111 it is equal to 2 raised to 0, it is 2 raised to 1, it is 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, plus 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, I wrote here 7. For 110, I wrote 6 because this one is 0. Then 2 raised to 0 is 1 into 0 will be 0. Therefore, it will be 6. Therefore, I wrote here for 110, I wrote here M6. In this way, the three variable K-map can be written. Okay. Now, we will solve the examples related with three variable K-map. In this three variable K-map, the equation is given to us. Draw the truth table of SOP expression and transfer it to K-map. Transfer it to K-map. The equation is given to us. Y is equal to A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C plus B bar C bar, B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar, A bar B C bar. This is the given equation. Okay. Now I can first solve the equation in this way. Y is equal to A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar. Okay. Now I will write the number of terms available in this equation in the form of K-map. I will plot the K-map. 1, 2, 3. 3 variables are there in each term. Therefore, not necessary to modify these equation. The various terms available with us are A and B, C. Okay. I will write here A bar and I will write here A. Here I will write B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar, and this one is BC. In this way, I will write all these terms. This is B bar C bar. Okay. Now, this first term is A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C. I will write here 1. For second term, I will write A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C, like this one. And for third term, A bar B C bar, A bar B C bar. Okay. And all other cell will be filled with the help of 0 terms. Okay. In this way, the K-map can be plotted. Now, what I will do here, make grouping of ones. Make grouping of ones. For making grouping of ones, group of 4, group of 8 or group of 2 is possible in this case. Group of 2 is possible. This is a one group of 2. Okay. This is the first group and I will write the equation for this group. What is the equation for this group? What is common term for both of these ones? For both of these ones, A bar is common. A bar is common. And from vertical side, what is common? Here it is B bar, C bar, B bar, C. Here it is C bar, here it is C bar. It gets cancelled. Therefore, only B bar. therefore it will be b bar. A bar b bar is the first term. Okay, then I will make corner grouping. This is 1 in the corner, this one is also in the corner, therefore this one and this one I will make a group of these two ones. I will make group of these two ones. Now for both of these two ones, what is common term? This one and this one is common for a bar, therefore I will write a bar. And from vertical side, here it is BC bar, here it is BC bar, here B bar and here B, therefore it get cancelled, only C bar is common, therefore I will write here C bar. Therefore this equation can be reduced as like this: y is equal to a bar b bar plus a bar c bar. Y is equal to a bar b bar plus a bar c bar. In this way the equation can be solved. Okay, we'll solve another example. It is again of 3 variable K-map. Okay, then suppose the equation is given to us. What is the equation? The equation is y is equal to a bar b bar c bar, a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c bar, a b c bar. Suppose this is the equation given to us. Okay, now we are going to plot K map for this equation, and we know that 3 variables are available in each term, therefore not necessary to modify this equation. Then I will write here A, I will write here BC. The A have 2 possibilities, either A may be A bar, it may be A. BC have 4 possibilities, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar and BC. These are the 4 possibilities for BC. Now I will write 1 for each term available over here. It is A bar B bar C. This one is A bar B bar C. Therefore I will write 1 over here. Okay. Second term is A bar B C bar, A bar B C bar. Therefore I will write 1 over here. This term is A B bar C bar, A B bar C bar. I will write 1 over here. And here it is A B C bar, A B C bar, A B C bar. These are the 4 terms available. Okay, and all other remaining terms I will fill by 0. Okay, now try to make group of ones. Try to make group of maximum number of ones. Okay, now here corner grouping is possible. How corner grouping? This is one of the corner, this one is another corner. This corner can be grouped in this way, this corner can be grouped in this way. That is, group of 4 ones can be possible. It is known as corner grouping. Group of 4 ones can be possible. Now identify the common term for these all 4 ones. Here it is A bar, here it is A, therefore it is not common. Here it is B bar C bar, here it is B C bar, therefore C bar is common for all 4 ones. Therefore equation y is equal to C bar. Y is equal to C bar, because B bar and here it is B, therefore they are not common. C bar and here also C bar is available, therefore C bar is common for all 4 ones. Therefore I will write the equation y is equal to C bar. This is the solution of the given equation. If the equation is given, then we can write the equation in the K map, and then we can minimize the equation with the help of grouping. This is the method of making or solving the given equation. Now we will solve another equation. Here, suppose the equation is given to us, that is y is equal to, the equation is given to us as y is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c plus a b bar c bar plus a b bar c. This is the given equation to us. A bar b bar c bar, a bar b bar c, a b bar c bar, a b bar c. These are the terms, or these are the given equation. All variables a, b, c are available in each term, either in true form or in complement form. Here it is a bar is complement, but here it is in true form. Here b is present complement form. Somewhere else, everywhere b is present in the complement form. It's all right only. Okay. I mean, in each term, all these three variables are present either in true form or complement form. Now we'll make K map for the equation, and three variable K map, therefore total number of cell will be 8 in number. I will write here A, I will write here B, C. A having two possibilities, either A may be A bar or it may be A. B also have four possibilities, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C bar and B, C. These are four possibilities for variable BC. Okay. Now the given term are A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. I will write here 1. Second term is A bar, B bar, C, A bar, B bar, C. I will write here 1. The third term is A, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C bar. I will write 1 over here. A, B bar, C, A, B bar, C, A, B bar, C. These are the four terms given to us, and the remaining term I will fill by 0. Okay, all cells are filled by 0. Now group the maximum number of ones. Okay, the ones may be 2. The ones may be either 2 or 4 or 8. Okay. Here the grouping of 4 is possible. Grouping of 4 is possible. Maximum grouping is permissible. 2 ones grouping is not permissible, because one group can be is possible. Therefore, make a single group of 4. Okay. Now for these 4 ones, which is the common term? Identify the common term. Here it is A bar. Here it is A. Therefore, it is not common. Okay. It's A bar and A, both are different. It is not common. Here it is B bar, C bar. Here it is B bar, C. Therefore, B bar is common for all 4 ones. Therefore, I will write Y is equal to B bar. This is the big equation. Its solution is very small. Y is equal to B bar. In only one step, we can solve the equation with the help of K map. And therefore K map is known as equation reduction technique. K map is known as equation reduction technique. Okay. We'll solve another example. Number of examples can be possible. Here, suppose the equation is given having 3 variables, and the equation is y is equal to A bar B C bar plus A bar B C plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar. Okay, this is the given equation. A bar B C bar, A bar B C, A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C bar. Suppose this is the given equation and it is asked to plot this equation in K-map and reduce the given equation. Okay, in this equation 4 terms are present having 3 variables. In each term 3 variables are present either true form or in the complement form. These 3 variables are A, B and C. A having 2 possibilities, either A may be A bar or it may be A true form. BC also have B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C bar and B, C. These are the 4 possibilities for BC. Now the given equation y is equal to A bar B C bar, A bar B, A bar B C bar. I will write here 1, A bar B C bar. Second term is A bar B C, A bar B C. This is the second term. The third term is A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C. I will write here A bar B bar C. And the fourth term is equal to A bar B bar C bar, and all other remaining cell I will fill by 0. Okay, then make group of 4 ones. 4 ones group is possible over here in this way. Group of 4 ones is possible. Okay, therefore for all these 4 ones, which is the common term for all 4 ones, A bar is common. Therefore I will write here A bar, and for the given equation y is equal to A bar. This is the solution for the given equation. This is the solution for the given equation. In this way the equation can be solved for 3 variables. Okay,
22.
Okay, then let us solve another example. Let us solve another example. Here it is a K-map, 3 variable K-map. Okay, if the given equation is y is equal to A plus B bar C, B bar C. This is the given equation. Okay, now here in this equation we know that 3 variables are present, A, B, C, 3 variables are present. But in first term 2 variables are absent. Missing variables are B and C. Here the missing variable is A. Therefore whatever the missing variables are, write these missing variable with its true value and complement value in this way. Write this A as it is. Then this is missing variable, write true form plus its complement form, that is B plus B bar. Write another missing term, that is C plus its complement form, that is C plus C bar, plus B bar C. I will write as it is, and write A in its true form and complement form, that is A plus A bar. In this way the equation can be modified. I mean all possible missing terms are added in this equation. Okay, now I will solve the equation. A B into C, I will write here BC, plus B into C bar, I will write here BC bar, plus B bar C, I will write here B bar C, plus B bar C bar, I will write here B bar C bar, plus B bar C into A, that is A B bar C, plus A bar B bar C. A B bar C and A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C. In this way I will write the equation. Now I will solve the entire equation. A into all these terms, A B C plus A B C bar plus A B bar C plus A into B bar C bar, A B bar C bar plus A B bar, these two terms I will write as it is, A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. Okay, then identify the common terms, which terms are common in this equation. Repeated terms, common terms is nothing but the repeated terms. These are the repeated terms, A B bar C, here also A B bar C. These are the repeated terms. Write the repeated terms once only. Why? Because we know that A plus A is equal to A plus A is equal to A, AB plus AB is equal to AB. Therefore, it is ABC plus ABC is equal to ABC. Therefore, we will write the repeated terms once only. Therefore, it will be A B C plus A B C bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. In this way the equation can be written: ABC plus ABC bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. Okay, now I will write this equation in K-map format, and for K-map we know that it is 3 variables. Therefore, I will plot the K-map in this way. The K-map can be written in this way, and I will write A, and this one is BC. I will write here A bar, I will write here A, it is B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar, B C. In this way the K-map can be written. Now here it is, the term is ABC, therefore A B C, I will write one over here. Then second is ABC bar, A B C bar, I will write one over here. Here it is A B bar C, A B bar C, I will write here. A and B bar C, I will write here. A B bar C bar, A B bar C bar, I will write one over here. And A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C, I will write one over here. Okay, and all other cells will be filled by zeros. All other cells will be filled by zeros. These are the zeros. Now make group maximum number of ones. Make a group of maximum number of ones. The maximum number of ones are 4. I will make a group of 4, and I will identify the common terms for these all 4 ones. The common term is A for all 4 ones. Here it is BC bar, B bar C, BC and BC bar. It is not common. A is common for all, and therefore I will write the equation as A for all these 4 ones. We can make another group of 2. This one is a group of 2 ones, vertical, and for these 2 ones, which is the common term for both of these 2 ones, it is A bar and it is A, therefore it is not common. The common term is B bar C, therefore I will write here B bar C, and the whole equation can be written as y is equal to A plus B bar C This is the equation which can be solved with the help of K-map. With the help of K-map. And it is a 3 variable equation solved with the help of K-map. Now we can draw the circuit diagram for this equation also. Sometimes it is asked to draw the circuit diagram for the given equation. Now we know that 3 variables are there, A, B and C. Therefore, what I will do here, okay, first I will cut this equation and I will draw the circuit diagram for the given equation. Now this is the given equation and it is asked to draw the circuit diagram for the given equation. Three variables are there. 3 variables. These 3 variables are A, B and C. But I want B bar. Therefore what I will do here, I will add here NOT gate so that I will get B bar over here. This line is of B and another line is of B bar. Okay, this line is of B bar. Now I want A. I will take one line out of A. Then another is B bar. I will take one line from B bar. And another it is C. I will take one input from C. Okay, make big contact like this one. It is B bar into C. Therefore I will add here AND gate. B bar into C. Therefore what is the output here? The output will be B bar into C. It is A plus B bar. This is A and it is added. Therefore I will add here OR gate. I will add here OR gate and the equation will be A plus B bar into C. This is the final circuit diagram of the given equation, and in this way 3 variable K-map can be solved. Okay. Okay, I will give you some examples and these examples you should solve with the help of all these techniques, using these techniques. Okay, and these examples, some of these examples are, if the equation is y is equal to A bar B plus C, then second equation y is equal to A B bar plus C bar. The third equation is y is equal to B plus A bar C bar. The fourth equation is y is equal to C plus AB bar, and the fifth equation is y is equal to BC bar plus A bar C bar. These are some of the equations given to you, and it is asked to plot the K-map for the given equation and draw the circuit diagram for the given equation. Okay, please try yourself all these homework and send it through email. Okay, now we will stop here for today.